how many 4-digit odd numbers that are greater than 4,000 can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now we want to form 4-digit numbers, right? 4-digit numbers. There are two conditions. The first condition is the last place must be odd. Then the second condition is must be more than 4,000. So in order to create number more than 4,000, the first digit here has to be 4, 5, or 6. So there are three ways of filling up this one. Okay, there are three ways of filling up this one to be more than 4,000. So it's 4, 5, and 6. There are two ways of filling up the last digit. Is 3 and 5. Then you see the problem there, right? The problem, can I say I put in like that 3 here and 2 here? Actually cannot, because if I put 3 here, 2 here, you look at this, there's a number 5 here. The number 5 appear at the back. The number 5 also appear for me in front. So I will be repeating the number 5. So I cannot do like this. So this is the meaning, the two conditions they ask for the same objects. The condition at the back asks for 5. The condition in front also asks for 5. So both of them, they are asking for the same object. And this same object 5 cannot appear at the back and appear in front again. So if you put like this, you put a three ways and 2 ways, you are saying that the 5 will appear behind and the 5 will also appear in front. And this is wrong, right? This is wrong because the 5 will appear twice. And again, how to settle this problem? We have to list out. Now, we can either list out according to the box at the back. What if the last number is 3? What is if the last number is 5? I can list out two cases. I can also do by listing out the front. What if the first number is 4? One case. What if the second number is 5? First number is 5. Another case. What if the first number is 6? Another case. So I list out the three cases, then I add them together. Then I will get the total number. But if I want to list out the front number, I have to list out 3 times. However, if I want to list out the last number, I only need to list out 2 times. So at last number, I will say, what if the last number is 3? Then I count. What if the last number is 5? Then I count. Then I add them together. So this will be much simpler. You can either list out according to the front number or you list out according to the back number. But don't do all the front and the back one. No. You only choose one. Either you list out all the back numbers or you list out all the front numbers. 2 ways. But which one is easier? List out all the number behind is easier because only 2 numbers there. So what are we going to do? Right? How to list out? We list out like that. Case number 1, oh, the last number is 3. Case number 2, the last number is 5. Right? So if I do like that, I don't have to do the one list the number in front. Right? Okay, so now, what if the last number is 3? So, okay, last number is 3. How many 3s are there? Only 1. So, how many ways of filling up the last number? 1 way. Put a 3 there, right? Now, I want to find out how many ways of filling up the first number. Okay, if the 3 appear behind, you want more than 4,000, it will be either 4, 5, or 6. This will cause the number to be more than 4,000. So how many ways? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 ways. How to fill up this number at the center there? How many numbers left? Right there, how many numbers left? What is your answer here? The two numbers. So 3 and 2. So 3 numbers left. So you fill up here 3, then fill up here 2. Multiply all the numbers together, 18. Okay, now these 18 ways will end with a number 3. 18 ways will end with a number 3. Now, what if we want the number to end with 5 to produce an odd number, but its end number is 5? So if the last number is 5, how many ways of filling up the last number? One way, just put the 5 there. Okay. How about the number in front? Number in front now, only 2 ways. Only 2 ways. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Right? So only 2 ways. The 5 already go at the back. So only 2 ways. So how to fill up the center one? How to fill up the center depends on how many numbers left. So how many numbers left? 3 and 2. So you multiply all of them together, 12 ways. Now these 12 ways, they are the ways, the number of ways that end with a 5. Right. These 18 number of ways that end with a 3. So what is the total number of ways? Total number of ways is 18 plus 12. Answer is 30. 30. So this one, if the two conditions ask for the same object, then you cannot do in one step. You have to break them up into many different numbers. Any